Hey everybody, Ben Engelman here with Friedrich Iowa Realty and the Engelman Team. And for step 5 here, I want to talk about time frame. And when I talk about time frame, a lot of folks just think, okay, when do I want to move into the house? Which I think is a great question. Don't get me wrong. But when you look at the whole entire thing, does purchasing a new home, building a new home, take a little bit more time than buying a resale? Absolutely. With a resale, you can go look at a house in 30 days or less, you can close. But what I like to do is I like to say, okay, this builder, say it takes them from dig to move in 6 months. Then on the front end, you got a lot of work to do. And maybe that takes 45 to 60 days on average. So you're looking at, okay, I know it's going to take, 7.5 to 8.5 months to really get into my home if I start right now. And that is a big question with everybody. Not to mention, most of the folks that we help build a new home have another home to sell. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a 30,000-foot view of your entire situation. And I'm not just talking about just with your house, but I also want to talk about when your kids go back to school, when the vacation is that you have planned, when your work, maybe it's the end of the fiscal year and you're extremely swamped. Maybe you have a really busy season of whatever occupation you have. All those things come into play, and there's absolutely no reason to make it more stressful than it needs to be. So what we do know is we can get the lot locked down. We can get started in the process. But if you look and you say, okay, hey, it's May and I don't want to move in until spring of the next year. Well, we know that, let's not start immediately, but let's get the first month to 2 months of work done, your selections, getting your plan completely locked down, verified, all those different details, get those things locked down. And then we can move on and then say, okay, October, November, we'll go ahead and start then and go ahead and dig, get it built through the winter, then go ahead and move in the spring when maybe it's not as hectic or it's warmer. You're able to put sod down right away, or maybe school just gets over or it's just getting over and you can transition right after the school year. There's things like that are going to be just great questions that you're going to have to answer. So that's the biggest thing about time frame, but every builder is different. Some builders might say, hey, it's going to take, 10 months to build your house. That's more of a custom builder. That's somebody that's going to come in and you're going to walk through every wall. You're going to basically go from a napkin drawing all the way to an architect, and it's going to be a little bit more, extensive. If you're working with something that's just a build to order, where you're picking out a plan, you're making a couple maybe small variation changes, and then it just goes into production. It may only take you 6-7 months to build it. So those are the type of questions when we talk about time frame. Not to mention, we'll get into this with financing and the subject to sale. If you have a home to sell, that's a huge piece of the puzzle. It's a big question mark in a lot of buyers, sellers' minds of how in the world am I going to sell this house, buy this new house. So we'll get into that in another step. So just keep watching. If you have any questions about time frames and different builders, hit me up, let me know. Love to help you out. Take care.